the emails. Sajid says, is it permissible to offer salah while wearing a surgical face mask for both men and women? In the current situation with the COVID-19, the answer is yes, it is permissible. If not, it is highly recommended, because the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ stated that it is not permissible to pray while wearing your cover face like this. This is called litham. So if I cover my face like this is not permissible, providing it is without any legitimate reason. But people nowadays wear these surgical masks for a reason and a legitimate reason, and hence there is no problem in doing that, and Allah Azza wa Jalla knows best.